Today we have Seat Cupra. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter. The cabin filter is located at the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. So I'm going to open the glove box, and then see I have to press this one and a little down so I can tuck So now that the glove box is down, inside there is a plastic cover. Let me take a flashlight. So now you can see the plastic that is holding the cabin filter. So you have to press these 3 pins down, and after that we can remove the plastic and we can see the filter. Then we can pull out the filter. We can see there is a lot of dirt on it, and we are going to install the new one. This is the part number for the filter. Bosch airflow should be pointing down. So after installing the filter, you have to return the plastic cover. First we are installing it from the lower side, and after that we just have to press these 3 pins. Now slowly, when you reinstalling this part here, because this is for the glove box to go slow, and now you just have to everything is working fine. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.